Do not delve too deeply into an avian mystery, or you will certainly be struck by bird madness. Bird madness. Bird madness. Bird madness.
And all my high school teachers were always like, oh, you can be doing this now, but that's not gonna fly in college. It all flies in college. Everything flies in college.
It always flies.
Everything, anything will fly at college.
Have you ever seen something that you just couldn't explain?
Like what?
Like a bird
I have seen a bird, yeah.
with a bag.
Like a backpack?
No, like a book bag.
Why would a bird need a book bag?
Books. Hypothetically.
Hypothetically.
Yes, right.
Okay. Would you tell me if you were on drugs?
Okay, no, I am not on drugs. It's just hypothetical about birds.
Okay, well, no. I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, neither have I.
It doesn't make any sense. Bird notes, bird library, bird college.
Hi. You're very impressive.
Why?
I don't think I've cared about anything as much as you care about this weird bird conspiracy. You're so dedicated, so devoted to figuring out the truth.
But
But I don't know if you should.
What was that? You really think I should stop right now when I am nanometers. Actual nanometers away from figuring out this conspiracy about Bird College.
I know that you're capable of figuring out the truth, but I don't know that you can do it without destroying yourself. Is Bird College really worth it?
No, it's not.
You want to go get some food?